Hello, friends. This is the Gemini reading. My dear fellow Geminis, I am a Gemini and I really love reading for Geminis. In this reading, we will be finding answers for for situations where you are confused what's going to happen next. What is the next stage of this relationship? Will your person contact you, commit to you? All these kind of confusions, right? How we will proceed is, we'll ask 3 questions. First will be your person's intent and emotion, feelings towards you and your relationship. Second question will be, what steps will they be taking towards you in the next few weeks or days? And third will be, what's the possible outcome? This is a timeless read and I hope you enjoy it. Also, this is a new channel, so I would love for you to show some love and care for me and subscribe for this channel. Also like the video if you like the reading. Okay, let's begin. First question is, what is the intent and feeling of your person towards you and this relationship? Let's see. Also, I don't take reversals, so we'll see. If any card jumps out, we'll take it. Let's go for one more card or few cards. So as far as your person's intent or feeling towards this relationship is concerned, I can see that your person is somebody who has strong intent toward societal norms and such things. And in this spirit, I see them taking steps towards you, showing that courage to show in public that you are their person, rather than taking 2 steps back and not telling you what and how they really feel. In this time frame, I can see that they will be coming towards you, taking those steps and showing courage, maybe in front of family or in front of society, if they are someone who is not showing or accepting the relationship in public due to some sometimes family pressure or other things. So I can see them taking those steps towards you. What else I can see is, now whatever confusion you were having regarding this relationship, whether it's going to be accepted by them or where is it going, you may be you may be guessing, will they finally take me as their girlfriend or boyfriend or commit to me? So such kind of confusions will get cleared and you will have a clear cut decision in your mind. You will have a clear cut path ahead in terms of your relationship. Now where I see it going is, we have here 10 of Pentacles, so I can see a strong family foundation getting built. So you can see or feel whatever delays that happened in the past happened for some reason. Maybe it was a time frame for you to analyze whether you want to go to this path or not, or what else can you do in terms of betterment in your own self in that time frame, and I hope you have done that also. I can see them giving you some solid offer here, or at least they are thinking about it. So yeah, this is their current intent and feelings towards you and this relationship. Moving ahead, let's see if they are going to take some action for you or not. Okay, I can see that they will be taking actions towards you and this relationship. Let's see. Let's shuffle. Also friends, try to like and subscribe if you like this reading. there are more that is going to come in this channel. It's very new channel. I would like to have your suggestions in comment. Like, what would you like to know more? What kind of readings would you like to have more from my side? And I'll do that for you as well. Nice cards coming out. We already have Queen of Swords and now we have King of Swords. Very nice cards coming towards you. I'm loving it already. So dear Gemini, what I can see is maybe the past situation was not so good for you, but with the Wheel of Fortune, we can say that good luck and your good karma is coming back into your life. Things are turning into your favor, and your person is going to take strong actions towards you this time. I can see that this bond that you have, the kind of strong pull you feel towards your person, it's not something happened, just something ordinary bond. It's a divine union, and right now in coming few days I can see the time is very good where the things can move towards next level of commitment. They may be offering you commitment as in whatever phase of situation you are in. Maybe go to the next level of being a boyfriend or girlfriend, or being husband, wife, getting engaged. If you are engaged, getting married, all those kind of things. The relationship will see harmony, and eventually you both are going to come together. So this is what I can clearly see through these cards. Let's see what's the final outcome, or anything else if it wants to come out. Otherwise it's going very, very nice, and I can see some good times ahead in terms of your relationship. Let's see how it goes. Please card, show me what is the final outcome between my Gemini and their person. I hope the reading resonates with you. If not, please come back for other readings. Very nice card. We have King of Pentacles over here. Very nice cards. So King of Pentacles is a very wealthy, abundant, stable person. So whatever they are offering you will not be superficial. It will have a solid foundation. The kind of bond that is coming towards your way will be very stable. Both of you now have the mental clarity. It's not one-sided. It is a relationship where both of you are involved, and that clarity will be there. Plus, society-wise also we can say, if that's of importance for you, the relationship will have clarity, will have acceptance on all levels. The heartbreak that was there earlier is going to, go away, and they are definitely planning to come towards you. Your ships are coming soon. So I can see it as a very, very nice reading for you for the weeks to come. I really hope you liked it. It's my first video, so maybe aesthetically not that pleasing, but leaving that aside, hope things will get better in terms of all the setup and all. I'll learn eventually. I hope you liked it and it resonated, and please do like, share and subscribe. Lots of love from me. Take care. Goodbye. Keep smiling.